athi January 370 bank statement, athi someone's boyfriend's bank statement January 370 February until manje July, and then phansi abhala mabaceda bagwazana for yena lo muntu athi hey kubi yabona
like
so sakhuluma ngaraiding ukuthi vela ngithi ngikhape more vele ukhipha imali kaMaphosa angithi
it doesn't matter when manje like uyenza ngathi it matters ukuthi yakabani.
Oh askhi masisemol la ngithi sibuye sidlule emakuleni sho ukuthi lokhu lo muntu othengisa istrategy yeah lo muntu othenga amavaslapi ama lucky stick insipho amakawusi so ukuthi uthenga ugwayi emakuleni makathi uthenga ugwayi emakuleni
wena seshazela ukuthi uyasebenzisa
angithi ubonile umesi kaphethe ugwayi ukuthi ayizizi uyaphethe ugwayi so Tombo hakena la bambambi abonye uphe bamvalela bamthathela sonke lesa stock in and then kunabantu abobaba bakulela kasi bayenza next uphume elinye Grootman la Grootman I thought ukuthi uGrootman uyenza action yabo le Grootman manje lo muntu abamambi kwenza siyo Grootman ngicela ungisize bangithathele izinto zabo Grootman ethi nami ngiyabazama mara kunobanye abobaba emasayidini nami khona la kunale bathu
like lo bona ngeliphi strategy so bathola babalea ababaleki baba nonchala July akafuna ukuphela already from E1 until namhlanje nakusuccess July and after success July kunikwenzakala izinto eziningi like advocate Malisela Kelly Kumalo like senze mewa cases abo mkhwanazi ya kama files abantu like imzansi nje imovie like if ever like ungabhekela la i-podcast
like ngibonile
like ungabona ukuthi like i-content is fucked up as like uyabona isho manje sithi sila thina masilwa la asazizozora kanjani ngoba already kumoshekele phezulu kumoshakelele because izinto abazikhulumayo ukuthi like wonke ama politicians are involved
wonke bathi wonke
most of